Okay, so I want to introduce the brand new Star SCT4000 contact toaster. Now you're probably familiar with contact toasters in terms of a platform that treats a toasting product like a griddle. So it's like you would put those on a griddle and then seal the bread up and keep it from creating any problems in terms of penetration, and it has a different surface finish and the like. What a contact toaster does is it automates that process from a griddling to a sort of like a conveyor toaster application. So what you have is two inlets, one in the front, one in the back, that move the product along a heated platen that's covered by a non-stick surface. That non-stick surface then is heated underneath to about 500 degrees, and by pulling along with our standard non-marking silicone belt, it will pull that bread product along the platen and seal it in an incredible amount of time. Your first pass speed is going to be about 10 seconds. The follow-on speed is 2 to 3 seconds depending on your setting. What that means is that you're able to get 4,000 bun halves per hour, which is approximately 50% higher than the next level in the market. So you're able to speed through an on-demand application better than anybody else in the market. You have 208 volt 208 volt and 240 volt, and the platen itself only uses 2 kilowatts. So you're going to be able to do this with relatively low power. On top of that, as you can see here, easy access, easy to clean, gets you access to all the parts for easy manipulation. The sheets themselves last approximately 1 month, but it does depend on your applications. It might last longer than that. Our non-marking silicone belt could go as long as a year or more. So you're going to have a great cost of ownership as far as that goes. The controls come in two types. You have analog controls, which will simply adjust your temperature at a continuous speed, and you have electronic controls with unlimited programmability, where you can put in just about anything you want under the sun. In addition to that, the most common accessories for a product of this nature have a feeder tray. That feeder tray is designed to account for the fact that you basically can't load it fast enough. This product, in making 4,000 bun halves per hour, cannot possibly be loaded faster than a feeder tray can feed it, which means we don't even offer that accessory. As fast as you can feed the buns in, it will spit them out again. So you're going to have unlimited features in that sense, because you no longer need to start loading these things up and have extra accessories that add to your cost. The tray itself here is removable and reversible, so you can spin it around to the other side and have it feed out, or you can take this out entirely and put a hotel pen underneath it, sort of like we're doing in our demonstration area, in order to collect the buns themselves. The people who use a contact toaster are typically looking for a sealed finish that extends the life and holding of a bun product. So it minimizes the penetration of fluids, which means that the bun doesn't get soggy, and it's going to make the bun hold longer, which is really one of the great advantages. It's got a great mouthfeel, gives it a crispiness and the like. So those are the kind of applications that you're going to find are useful for this. You could pull anything through here from a bagel to a small bun, and the height adjustment, which is easy to use here on the side, can adjust to up to 2-inch bun height. So it's going to give you every level of control you want. It's the best one in the market and the most durable and the most accessible.